If you want to be more productive, the number one thing that you should start doing is utilizing Wispr Flow. It's essentially a dictation app, and I know that most of us already have a dictation app on our phones. Whether you have an iPhone or an Android, it comes pre-built with a native dictation app. But those don't really work all the time, and sometimes it doesn't catch exactly what you say. The difference between Wispr Flow is that they have a free version, of course, which gives you a few limited dictations per month. And then they also have a $15 a month version, which I personally think is worth every penny because you get unlimited dictations. And it's powered by AI, so you're able to talk to your devices like you normally would with another person. And then it does all the heavy lifting in the back end to clean up what you said. So it will take away all the ums, the uhs, the likes that we tend to overuse. It will check everything for grammar and spelling and punctuation. And then it's also smart enough to understand when you say something as a quote, to break down text in certain parts by how you pause. It can create bullet points or list as you list things out. So it's really powerful. The one caveat to it, though, is not their fault necessarily, but it's just the way that the iOS system restricts how other apps can use the keyboard. So it makes using Wispr Flow a little cumbersome. You basically have to click where you want to type and then click the microphone. It will take you over to the Wispr Flow app. Then you have to swipe back to where you wanted to type. You can start talking at that point, and then you have to click the microphone again to end. And if you want to make any changes or edits, you have to switch back to your regular keyboard. So it makes the process a little annoying and then a little cumbersome. But if you have an iPhone that has an action button, Wispr Flow actually has a shortcut that lets you run the dictation from the action button, which makes it a lot easier. So you just press the action button to start the dictation, and then you press it again to end, and then you just paste it into the field that you want, and you still have your regular keyboard. So that way you don't have to switch back and forth between apps. And if you don't have an iPhone that has the action button, another way that you can get around it is that pretty much every iPhone from the 8 up has a feature called back tap, which lets you tap the back of your phone twice or three times, and you can program that to start the shortcut as well. I think where it really shines and it is really helpful is on like your computer. So you can do the same thing, but basically you have your full keyboard and you can program a key so that when you press and hold it, it automatically starts the dictation, and then you just talk normally, let go of the key, and it pastes everything in there. Like I said, if you're somebody that wants to be a little bit more productive, I think utilizing Wispr Flow is a good way to start.